Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 10:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, December 30th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Origin. Okay, Origin Protocol, OUSD. Not OUSD, actually. This is different. OGN USD. Please. These two are different things. OGN USD is the actual currency aspect of it. OUSD is a stable coin that is pretty much pegged to the dollar, yielding at least probably around 20% or so every day. It slightly fluctuates, but right now OGN US dollar, which is the one that we're kind of tracking here, doing pretty well. I think overall we are starting to see a relatively resistance, a decent support line in. Currently, we're going to just draw this a little different because my new rule is horizontal lines get the green, diagonal lines get the yellow. So right now, we are definitely on an uptrend, back to being on an uptrend with, we had a massive dip here. So make no mistake about it. Didn't feel good going from 76 down to 61. But, it could have been a lot worse. Look, we've had way worse dips before. I mean, we've went from $1.07 down to 56 cents. I mean, imagine that. So this dip should have been a cakewalk for most of us. In the meantime, support right now, again, 61 cents. Resistance around 68. Now let's go over to Origin Bitcoin while I save that one. Origin Bitcoin is still trapped in this channel here. There's no question about it. And we're still also trying to get back into the range above the 1492 level. But right now we're still stuck at 1358, sort of in the middle of this green channel here. Support right now still at 1269. Now let's go over to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is where the action seems to be at. So we're at 47,329 right now. We didn't go as far down last night as I thought we would because then it started looking a little bit concerning, but I was thinking we would hit like 45, low 45s, but we did stop at 45,975. Let's just call it 46, and is trying to get back at least over this turquoise line. Now, this is the logarithmic scale that I have on, and if I took it off and I refit the resistance line, we would be over it right now. So it wouldn't really matter at this point. I think right now what does matter is the reason for the selling this week, in my view, is tax sales. A lot of people selling Bitcoin to take advantage of this year's tax code instead of next year's tax code, which seems to be worse. So that's what's going on here, and we only have 2 days left. Today, which is the December 30th, and tomorrow, December 31st, and then guess what? Saturday reigns in, a new year. I'm not sure if we get the bidding up on Saturday per se, or if we're going to get, I think a lot of people are going to be too drunk, to be honest with you, by Saturday. But I think Saturday into Monday, you're going to start to see a lot of buying going on Bitcoin. Now, let's go into Bitcoin dominance. Still, this bad boy is still going sideways as we suspected, and it's really not going to go anywhere. In my view, I think we're just going to go to the right until we decide what's going to happen with Bitcoin next. I still think Bitcoin catches a massive bid very soon once this tax week is done. In the meantime, Origin's at 64.20. I'm out. We'll talk soon.